So this is a new proposition. If GCD of Mn is say 1, Mn and two positive integers, their greatest common divisor is 1. What does it mean? They have no common divisor other than 1. Then the set of divisors of Mn consist of all products d1 d2 where d1 divides m, d2 divides n, GCD of d1 d2 is 1. Go through the statement once again. GCD of Mn is 1, then divisors of m into n are of the type d1 into d2, where d1 will divide m, d2 will divide n, and GCD of d1 and d2 will be 1. So I will go to the proof. It is an easy proof. You can check the notes. I go to the next result. What is the next result? If f is a multiplicative function, and capital F is defined by Fn, Fd, then F is also multiplicative. Capital F is a multiplicative function and small f is defined like this. Small f of n is equal to d divides n f of d. What does it mean? Say f of 4. What does it mean? D divides 4. What are the divisors of 4? 1, 2, 4. So it will mean f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 4. Yeah. So small f is given to be multiplicative function, then capital F is also multiplicative function. Proof. Let M and N belongs to N, GCD Mn is 1. Now f of Mn now already by previous result GCD of Mn is 1. So D divides Mn. D divides Mn means what? D is D1 D2, where D1 divides M, D2 divides N, and GCD of D1 D2 is D divides Mn. So d must be equal to d1 into d2, and like this. This comes from the previous result. Now, multiplicative function. F is multiplicative function. What does the mean multiplicative function? F of d1 d2 is f of d1 d2. d1 divides m, d2 divides n. So this is a program. So f of mn is equal to, you see, by definition f of m is this, f of m is this. So f of mn is equal to f of m times f of n when GCD of mn is 1. This proves that capital F is also multiplicative. Yeah. Next we go to this important Mobius mu function. Mobius mu function is like this. Definition: for any if n is 1, then mu of n is 1. Mu of 1 is 1. 0. If p square divides n or some prime p. If for some prime p square divides n, then mu of n is 0. Minus 1 power r. If n equal to Mobius mu function, how it is defined? If n is 1, its value is 1 itself. If n is product of many distinct primes, you get the prime factorization of n, say all the primes are distinct. How many distinct primes are there? R. Then its value is minus 1 power r. But if in the product, in the prime factorization, one prime appears more than once, then p square divided n, then this becomes 0. For example,